individual or an entity that creates opportunity. This is very important, that an entrepreneur creates opportunity, take most risks, and enjoy most of the rewards, not just for profit, but also for a cause, right? So like the important thing there are the words that we'll have to pick up on: opportunities, risk, reward, profit, and the cause, right? They are creating opportunities not just for themselves, but for the wider audience, the society that they are living in, the community that they are in. They take most risk. They like, in order for you to lead, to be an entrepreneur, you have to put so much effort. You have to be persistent. You have to put a lot of investment as well at times, both from monetary point of view and from time point of view. We are all like they are continuously like investing, but they are the people who get the most reward as well, both if they are into business side where they're doing it for profit. Yes, the entrepreneurs will reap the most profit. So like all the richest people in the world, they are entrepreneurs, right? They took the risk when everybody found the easier way. And also for a cause,